Hello, this is Grandma Griggly the day. Now it's a rainy day the day, so I'm inside. Now, what have I got in the day? I wonder if you can fit S's. S is what you call packing peanuts, and S is what you get when you get your Amazon parcels. Now, how this works, I've got two pieces here. All you need is a wheat sponge, and you dip a wheat sponge and it sticks together. Look at that. Now once you're able to do it, I'll do it again. I can wheat the side out, right, and that sticks on. And you can make all kinds of things with it, and I'll show you what I've made today. I've made an igloo. Can you do a close up of it? No. An igloo. And I've done a heart. And you can do your letters. You can maybe do your name. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do yes, MANNIE. Okay? So, how I'm going to start, of course I need my sponge, my wheat sponge, and I need my popping peanuts, and a pair of shears, and that's all. So, I'm going to follow this pattern, and this is his head onto his neck. Okay? And that's his shoulders. And then I'm going to look for a curly bit, for an arm. And I'm going to stick that on for an arm there, that side, and an arm on that side, and then two bits for his body. This is off a air, and it's good fun. See how it's coming up, and then a bit here for his waist, right? And then I need his legs. Now I'm going to look for a corner straight bits for his legs. That's one leg sticking together. See how quick that is. And to look for all the bony bitties. This is straight bitties I'm looking for his legs. That's the other bit, and the other leg. And it just sticks on off a fine. And then I'm going to put on his boots, right? See how, and I'll maybe give him a hat, right? I could give him a hat. Now, then do you think his arms is long enough? Now, if I wanted his arms longer, what you do, this is half easy, you just cut this into a bits, because I think that his arms need to be a bit longer, not. Yeah? And that's it. And then you can take your Sharpie pen, and you can draw, you can colour, you can do anything. I'm going to put a couple of eyes on here, and a nose, and a mouth. And that's a happy packing peanut MANNIE. Now, eat a rare. I bet you can't wait till you get parcels from Amazon to get this packing peanuts to make thingies, eh? Okay, see you again. Tatty bye.